Get scientisty and Danny, we gotta do more stuff like this. Like go to museums. I think we should start older, huh? Like when we're a year.
Do quick stuff like this. Like
Yeah.
not like
Look at that
The Natural History Museum would be awesome.
Daddy,
What?
you gotta come see this, Daddy.
Okay. Let me see. Whoa, here, flip it. Wow, flip it. This is so cool.
I know, isn't that awesome?
What is that? Different rocks? What's that?
So you need to get binoculars so you can look at different, you can find different flowers and
Oh,
stuff.
here, turn it. See, it's sharp. Ooh, what's this?
Look at the elderberry.
What is
The
that?
elderberry in the spring.
Here, keep. You gotta get it. You gotta get sharp.
That's a feather.
Ooh, is that snake skin?
Let me see.
Oh, let's do this moth. Hold on.
Look at the bees in there, and the fly.
What is that?
At the,
Oh, that's a. Oh, I keep
What's
pointing.
that, a beetle?
I keep
There's a
pointing it
beetle.
at like the.
There's a beetle on the next one. Like a big beetle.
Wow, look at that.
and now let's do this one.
Okay, let's do the beetle.
Look at that spike.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
Danny, look at this. Look at it underneath the magnifying glass.
Whoa. Look at that
It's all
ear.
hairy.
Oh, you can't even see it. You had to move it a little bit. Look at the hairs. You can see the tiny little hairs in it.
This is
Look at the tiny little hairs on that beetle.
a beautiful white.